Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn just how to delete a board from the Media Manager. So here's how. So first we're going to go to the Wix dropdown on the top left, go to Media Manager, and on this window, let's head over to My Boards. This is where you should see all of the boards you've created. Now to delete a board, hover over it and click on the three-dot button within it. Then select Delete Board. A warning pop-up will appear, so it's going to ask you if you're sure. Once you are, click on Delete to confirm, and your board will successfully be deleted. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.